In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use speaker notes in Google Slides. Whether you're working on a class project, a business presentation, or just something to share ideas with friends, Google Slides is an incredibly versatile tool. One of the features that can really enhance your presentation skills is speaker notes. Let's dive in and explore how you can make the most of this. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Slides on your browser. Simply type in Google Slides into your search bar and click on the official link that comes up. This is where you'll manage all your presentations. So it's a good idea to bookmark this page if it's frequently used in your workflow. Once there, ensure that you're signed in to your Google account. If you're not signed in, you'll see a sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and enter your login details. Once you've signed in, you'll arrive at the Google Slides home screen. This is where you can see all your existing presentations. To start a new one, look for the blank slide option to create a brand new presentation. Alternatively, you can choose from the array of templates Google offers if you want to jumpstart your design with some preset styles. Clicking on either will open the editor for you. With your new presentation open, now let's talk about how to access the speaker notes. Look towards the top right area of the screen. You will see a drop-down arrow next to the slideshow button. Click on this arrow and you'll have a few options. You're going to select Start Slideshow with speaker notes and audience Q&A. This feature is really handy, especially for live presentations, because it allows you to engage with your audience and have notes handy without them being visible on the main screen. After you've selected that option, turn your attention to the bottom panel of your presentation screen. Here you'll find an area labeled as Speaker Notes. This section is where you can type in all the reminders, prompts, and additional details you'll need while presenting. These notes will be visible only to you during the slideshow, providing a perfect space for any extra details you'd like to share or remind yourself without cluttering the slides themselves. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to using speaker notes in Google Slides. Experiment with this feature to make your presenting smoother and more engaging. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to maintain eye contact with your audience and have all the information you need right at your fingertips.